kikamilifu.
Kengashohe, KTN.
And well, after days of speculation over whether the ODM's Linda Mwananchi faction will secure a venue and proceed with its plans to hold a rally in Kisumu, the group defied all odds, staging what they now describe as a heroic entry into the lakeside city. But even as thousands stand up, concerns are now emerging over violent confrontations and the alarming presence of armed groups in what was meant to be a political gathering. Our reporter Bramwell Bwire was on the ground and now brings us that report.
A few minutes past noon, the ODM Linda Mwananchi faction finally made its dramatic entry into Kisumu. The team alleges that they had struggled to secure a venue to worship after several churches declined to host them under pressure from rival factions within the party. But in a last-minute breakthrough, Embakasi East MP Babu Owino secured a space at the Triumphant Christ Church in Nyalenda, effectively igniting the day's events. From there, the leaders took to the streets. A church procession sneaked through the Kisumu CBD, drawing crowds in chants before heading towards Kondele, where tension was boiling over. Groups of youths opposed to the rally had lit bonfires, attempting to block the advancing convoy. In response, youths allied to Linda Mwananchi engaged them, overpowering them. But amid the chaos, a troubling pattern emerged. Groups of young men, some armed with pangas and clubs, were seen escorting the Linda Mwananchi leaders and stationed at key areas like Kondele, raising serious concerns about the growing normalization of violence in political mobilization. Despite the standoff, the convoy pressed on, addressing swelling crowds before proceeding to the symbolic War grounds. This is the same venue where President William Ruto recently launched phase 2 of the standard gauge railway.
Na kuna wenzetu wameuza chama. Kuna wenzetu wameuza chama. Umejua wale wameuza chama. Waende nyumbani ya wasiende nyumbani. Oburu waende nyumbani ya wasiende.
Kuna watu walikuwa kwa darasa ya Raila Odinga, ngoja tu kijana. Kuna watu walikuwa wanalala kwa darasa ya mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga. Wewe kama haujaiva, toa jam, wachia wale watu ambao tulikuwa tunachukua notes tusonge mbele, si ndio?
Wakasema kwamba ati hao wataki kiti ya president. Hao wataki kiti ya deputy president. Ati hao wanataka power. Unakubaliana na hao?
Linda Mwananchi leaders would then launch a blistering attack on rival Linda Ground faction.
Viongozi wote wanakuja kuongea hapa, kuwaongelesha. Wanaambia broad-based ni nzuri na hao ndio wanapewa pesa. Hiyo pesa inawafikia. I want to tell you, if we are not on the table, we will break the table.
Kisumu hamjai aibisha taifa la Kenya. Wakati wa ukombozi wa kuleta uhuru wa taifa, Kisumu ilikuwa ndani. Wakati wa ukombozi wa pili wa kuleta katiba na vyama vingi, Kisumu mulikuwa ndani. Wakati wa ukombozi wa 4, Kisumu mtakuwa ndani na mtakuwa ndani.
Sisi ndio tuko na certificate ya ODM. Unasikia? Orengo ndio sasa atakuwa party leader. Sababu yeye na Sifuna ndio custodian wa hiyo certificate. Hao wengine wako UDA. Unasikia?
But even as the speeches continued, the heavy presence of armed youths taking guard was evident, a stark reminder that Kenya's political battles are increasingly being fought beyond words and dangerously on the streets. Bramwell Bwire, KTN, Kisumu.
Thank you for that report, Bramwell.